Here's some Childe Harold trivia. Subscribe. In which century was Childe Harold's Pilgrimage published? Is it A, 20th century, B, 19th century, C, 21st century, or D, 18th century? The correct answer is B, 19th century. What literary form is Childe Harold's Pilgrimage? Is it A, novel, B, essay, C, ballad, or D, narrative poem? The correct answer is D, narrative poem. Which historical figure is referenced in the poem? Is it A, George Washington, B, Julius Caesar, C, Napoleon Bonaparte, or D, Alexander the Great? The correct answer is C, Napoleon Bonaparte. What literary movement does Childe Harold's Pilgrimage belong to? Is it A, Surrealism, B, Naturalism, C, Modernism, or D, Romanticism? The correct answer is D, Romanticism. In which year was Childe Harold's Pilgrimage first published? Is it A, 1820, B, 1812, C, 1805, or D, 1815? The correct answer is B, 1812. What does the term Childe refer to in the title? Is it A, young nobleman, B, peasant boy, C, old soldier, or D, knight in training? The correct answer is A, young nobleman. What is one prominent motif in the poem? Is it A, war, B, love, C, travel, or D, nature? The correct answer is C, travel. How does Childe Harold view the world? Is it A, cynically, B, indifferently, C, naively, or D, optimistically? The correct answer is A, cynically. What literary device is prevalent in the writing style? Is it A, quatrain, B, couplet, C, blank verse, or D, sonnet? The correct answer is C, blank verse. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.